Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore your networking workflow with Trello boards step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Trello account. If you don't have an account, create one for free. Once logged in, click on the Create New Board button. Name your board something relevant to your networking workflow, such as networking contacts or collaborations. Select a background color, click on Create Board to finalize your new board. Next, add lists to organize your workflow. Start with lists like prospects, follow-ups, and completed. To add a list, click on Add a List and type in the title. Once you've created your lists, it's time to add cards. Click on Add a Card under the Prospects list. In the card, include the name of the contact or opportunity. You can add additional details in the card description. Include important information like contact details, notes, and deadlines. Once you've added the essential information, click Add Card to save it. Repeat this process for all your networking contacts. Now, let's customize your cards for better visibility. Click on a card to open it and explore options. Add labels to categorize contacts based on priority or relationship type. Set due dates to remind you when to follow up. Add checklists for tasks associated with each contact, like sending an email or making a call. You can also attach files or links relevant to your networking, such as a LinkedIn profile. Next, familiarize yourself with the board's communication features. Use the comments section on each card for team discussions or reminders. Tag team members using it followed by their name to get their attention. After setting everything up, regularly review and update your board. Move cards between lists as you progress from prospects to follow-ups and finally to completed. This will keep your workflow organized and current. Make it a habit to check your board daily to stay on track with your networking goals. Over time, adjust your lists and cards to better fit your evolving networking needs. Utilizing Trello boards can significantly streamline your networking workflow. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.